Today, I'm gonna show you how to make homemade strawberry syrup. It's absolutely delicious and super easy because it's made out of scraps of strawberries that are left over from when I made my strawberry jam. It's so much better for you than the fake strawberry syrup that you're gonna buy from the store. Plus, it's a really good way to reduce food waste. So come along and I'll show you how you can make it in less than 30 minutes. Here is the recipe if you just want to go ahead and screenshot that. Otherwise, I will have it in the description. First, we're going to put our strawberry scraps, sugar, and water into our pot and bring it to a boil. And yes, I know that this is dirty. I just made strawberry jam out of it, and we're just going to keep right on moving along. These ingredients are simple. It's only 2 cups strawberry scraps, 1.5 cups sugar, and 1.5 cups of water. Now we're just going to mix it all together and bring it to a boil. While I'm waiting for that to come to a boil, I'm gonna go ahead and prep everything else so I can can these and preserve them. So I've got my lids back here in a small pot of water. I'm gonna bring those to a boil. Once they come to a boil, you can shut them off because then that means they're sterile and ready to go. Then I've got my giant stock pot here heating up, coming to a boil. And over here in the oven, I'm baking these jars at 250 for 10 minutes. We're boiling. So now I'm gonna let this simmer for 12 minutes. And it's done. Now we're gonna strain it out and then pack our jars and can it. I'm just using a bowl with a mesh colander, but a cheesecloth would also work. Keep in mind, this is boiling hot, so don't burn yourself. Now, once you pour it through, I do like to also go through and squish the strawberries. That way, all of the strawberry syrup goes through the mesh colander and into the syrup that we're going to be using. And then just kind of scrape off the bottom of your mesh colander to make sure it all goes through to your syrup. Okay, this will get fed to my chicken so it doesn't go to waste either. Now we are left with our beautiful strawberry syrup. Now, if you look closely, you'll notice that there are some seeds in there, but not a lot. If you don't want any seeds in it, then when you put it into a mesh colander, also put a cheesecloth on top of that. And that will keep the seeds from coming through. But a few seeds don't bother us. Okay, we got our sterilized jars out. We got our sterilized lids and our bands ready. So we're gonna go ahead and fill those jars and water bath can it. We got our jars ready, so now we're gonna put it into our water bath canner and we're gonna water bath it for 10 minutes. And they're done. Look at that beautiful bright red strawberry syrup. No artificial flavoring in this stuff. Look at how beautiful it is. Ignore the 6 jars in the back. That's the strawberry jam I made earlier today, but look at that. And this stuff is amazing. And it's also really versatile. You can throw some powdered sugar in it to make a strawberry icing for cakes or cupcakes, or even like a strawberry bread. You can also mix it in with lemonade to make strawberry lemonade. You can put it in your milk to make strawberry milk. It's honestly just so versatile and wonderful. So anyway, there it is. It's really good, really easy to make, and a really nice way to reduce food waste. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy it. Here we are 24 hours later. It has cooled and it looks stunning. It's hard to believe every time I make this that there's no artificial food dyes in it because it's such a bright red color. But anyway, it's just wonderful. I did forget to mention that it also is the perfect gel to add on top of your strawberries if you're making strawberry shortcake this summer. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Otherwise, happy canning and have a great week.